Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are subscribed, then you know that you saw this outfit before, but it's okay because you're about to see it again. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and click that bell notification button down below and that subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you can catch me when I post new videos, and you can also be alerted because you don't want to miss what we got going on over here in 2019. So yes, let's get into the video. My eyes, if you are subscribed, then you know is the new makeup. I got like glue all over it. It's the new Makeup Revolution Neutrals 3 palette. I did pick up the Neutrals 3 and the Reloaded palette. I've already done the first impressions on this, and this is the look that I came out. So make sure you guys are subscribed and that you guys check out the video on this palette. I'm here to do a first impressions on the new Revlon Candid foundation. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation. I got it in the shade 550. We are going to go ahead and do a first impressions on this right now. I have nothing on my face. I'm about to prime it really quickly. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. booster drops. These are the antioxidant drops, and you guys, I'm not even gonna lie, like I'm obsessed with these drops. Like I put them on my face in the morning when I get ready to like just leave the house to go to work. I put them on my face at night. Like these drops have really become part of like my literal everyday skincare routine. It's really thin and it's just really like not overly hydrating, but like hydrating enough. If you have oily skin, you'll love this. It's made my skin do a complete 180. I'm also gonna put a little bit of the Maybelline Master Prime on my face just because I've got pores as deep as the Grand Canyon here. So we definitely wanna do something with those. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the foundation. I have not even tested it. I haven't pumped it out. I don't know if the color's right for me, so we're just gonna go for it. Okay, so that was about 3 pumps, maybe. The color looks pretty good for my face. We'll see. It's kind of thick, not gonna lie. It's kind of thick. It feels really full coverage. Let's just go for it. So far the color looks like it might be like perfect for me. I'm gonna do one more pump. You don't get a lot in here. You only get 0.75 fluid ounces. So not even a full fluid ounce, but it's okay. Okay, so let's just go with what we have here. So this is about 4 pumps. And let's just go ahead and do this. I've got my Morphe sponge here, which I'm loving. So let's just go ahead and I'm gonna pick up the rest on my hand. And let's see what it looks like. So far, I'm gonna give it a medium coverage. It's definitely easy to blend out. It's blending out like a dream almost. Okay, Revlon, okay. It's a little lighter. It's definitely a winter foundation. Like, and this is the deepest shade that I saw. I'm not gonna say it's the deepest shade that they have because I'm not sure, but it's definitely the deepest shade I saw. It's kind of like perfect to my skin. I don't normally do shades that are perfect to my skin. I normally do them a little bit darker because I do like to highlight. I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do one more pump here and then spread it out a little bit. So honestly, it's pretty medium coverage, but it's like a full medium coverage. That makes no sense at all, but like either my skin is clearing up and it doesn't take as much foundation to cover up my spots, but I feel like that covered up everything pretty well. I'm really enjoying this. Okay, so I'm gonna throw on a little bit of concealer, which actually for concealer I use the Physicians Formula foundation. Don't judge me at all, I love it. If y'all haven't tried that foundation, definitely try it. It's a wonderful concealer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say it's a really nice foundation. You guys, I'm gonna get a little closer, but tell me what you think. Like, where's my mirror? So, I'm not even gonna lie, like, my skin looks pretty good. Let me know what y'all think, and let me know if I'm tripping, but I think my skin looks pretty good. I'm gonna set it with my Maybelline powder. Like, it's setting with perfection. It's truly setting with perfection. So far it blended out well. It covered really well. I'm really gonna just have to wear it and see how it wears. Okay, so my face is all set, you guys, and I don't have any bronzer or blush on or anything, but so far I'm absolutely loving this foundation. Like, I love it. It looks really, really nice. So I'm gonna go and put on some blush, bronzer, and all that good stuff, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I am back with my whole face done and complete, and I have one word. What? This foundation is amazing. I've had it on for about 30 minutes. Let me grab my mirror. I've had this foundation on for about 30 minutes, and I think it looks freaking amazing. I have not set my face, which is weird because I really like the way my face looks, and normally I set my face as soon as I finish because I'm one of those freaks, like I have to set my face. But I am freaking out because my foundation, my whole makeup looks amazing, you guys. Like, I'm in love with my makeup right now, and it's like 10 o'clock at night and it's ridiculous. But this, like I said, is the Revlon Photo Ready Candid foundation, and I absolutely love this. I hope it wears really well. So far, you guys, this first impressions is amazing. I love this foundation. It's sitting so nicely on my skin. I love how smooth it looks. It's literally a perfect match. Like, do y'all see that? Like, I do have on some bronzer and some blush and stuff, and I set it with my Maybelline Shine Free powder, but y'all, like, this is amazing. Please, please pray for me. I hope that it lasts all day and it lasts, you know, for a long time, and it's gorgeous by the end of the day when I wear it for a full day, because I love this foundation right now. I haven't even set my face, so like, hold on, let me set my face and see if anything changes. I'm gonna use the Morphe setting spray. It's still it's still amazing. I love it. First impressions, this gets an A+. So definitely look out for a speedy review on this. I did just record another speedy review on the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, so this is definitely coming up. I'm gonna wear it a few more times all day and kind of different products and see how it works, and then I'll come back next week with another video with a review on this. But so far, I'm loving it. If you guys have tried the foundation, please let me know down in the comments what you think about it. Do you have oily skin? Do you have dry skin? Do you have combo skin? Do you like to wear it with primer, without primer? Do you like to wear it in the morning, at night? Do you like your oatmeal with butter, sugar? Whatever, I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. And let me know what you guys think about it on my face. I love it. I love it, but I definitely want to know what you guys think. So that is all that I have for today. I know you guys are probably tired of seeing this green shirt, but I'm pumping out the videos for y'all. 2019, I'm telling y'all, every single video, y'all gonna hear me say it, okay? 2019 is the year for me. I'm not playing with y'all. I'm not playing with these jobs. I'm not playing with YouTube. I'm not playing with y'all, okay? Y'all finna get these videos. Y'all finna get these makeup tutorials. Y'all finna get these get ready with me. Y'all finna get these reviews. Y'all finna get these vlogs. Like, I hope y'all are ready to watch some videos because I am coming with them. And whatever you want to see, you better let me know down in the comments. Let me know. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys are subscribing. Hit that bell notification button so you are notified every time I post another video. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I'll have all those links down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I do accept both. I don't discriminate over here. And leave a comment down below. And let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what you think about the foundation. Let me know what you think about my face. Let me know what you think about me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.